Now we are.
Mommy.
Okay, we are now opening. Careful. The Infinity Gokin. Alright, Voltron. Whoa. Gotta be careful with this thing. Yeah, you gotta be very careful. We don't damage it. Okay? Gotta be careful. I'm recording at the same time. I'm trying to be very, very gentle with it. Okay? So, shall we open it?
Yes.
Okay, so what's inside? Whoa. Ooh. It's a good thing I didn't damage it. Wow. Look at that. Okay. So basically, that's what it is. So let's take it out of the box, yeah? Take it out of the box. Careful. Whoa. That's it. That's the box. So what can you see? Oh, we can take it out. Okay, shall we take it out? Yes, we can try and take it out. Okay. Let's take it out of the plastic seal. Yeah. Ooh, ooh. What is it? It's a sealed box. What do you think is it? Huh? Wow, look at that. What is it? It's a box. It's a box, yeah? It's Votron. Defender of the universe, Votron. Shall we take it out of the box? Yeah. Okay, brilliant. Let's take it out of the box. Oops, sorry. Shake, shake, shake. Well, it's only Voltron. Ooh, what's that? Wow. Let's have a look. Wow. Let's get a closer look. Wow, look at that. It's the lions.
No, don't know lions.
Well, they are actually robot lions, Jana. They're robot lions.
Lions.
Yes. Shall we take them out? Yes. Can I help you take them out?
Yes.
Okay, good stuff. Yes.
What's this one?
Gotta be careful with this because it just looks so nicely packed. Look at that. It's nice packaging to it, isn't it? You gotta be careful with the box as well. You have to flip it over like that. Oops. Without damaging it. Okay. Ooh. Gosh, what have you done? Oh dear. No, leave it there, love. Leave it there. I think. Where's it gone? Okay. This is a booklet. We'll have to leave it like that, okay? Keep it nice and safe. Nice booklet. Now, Yana, don't get too excited. What are these? Swords. Yeah, nice looking swords they are, yeah?
What is that?
Okay. Which one? More swords, more weapons, and I think you also have. What's this?
Yes.
Stickers. Okay. Number stickers. I think you have to come closer, love. Far away from the table. And what's this? They look like cannons there. And like weapons, knives, the blazing sword. Yeah? Okay, good stuff. Now to the to the real deal. Look, it's good packaging, isn't it? What do you think?
Yes.
Nice?
Lions.
Yeah, Robo Lions, absolutely. Oh gosh, you're catching up so quickly. I'm impressed. Very impressed. Okay, shall we take them out of the box?
Yes.
Okay, good stuff. Right, so have to carefully take it out of the box.
Daddy.
Yes. Oh, I think we need our blade for this.
Too big.
Yeah, it's too big. Don't throw none. Okay. Whoa. Yeah, it's a Robo Lion, so we have to carefully take them out of the box one by one. Okay? So we take the black lion. box. Yeah. Oh, don't get too excited. It's a black lion there. Okay. Let Daddy handle it for now. Okay. What's this? What color?
It's green.
It's a green lion. What sound the lion?
Wow.
Louder. Sound the lion? Roar. Okay. And what's this one?
Red.
What's the sound of the red lion?
Oh,
Roar. Okay. And ooh, what's this one?
it's yellow.
What sound of the yellow lion? Yeah. Look. And this one?
It's blue.
Sound of the lion?
Oh,
Roar. And ooh, what's this one?
some white one.
What's this?
Some blue.
It's blue. It's a sword.
So,
It's a shield. Shield here, Anna. Okay. Good. Let's have a look at the shield.
look, what is
And
this?
it's a shield, and then we've got a face there, mask.
What is that?
I think that's another lion head. It is meant for the flying lion heads. Okay.
What's that?
If you want to fire them and stuff.
What is this?
Okay, it's a green lion. What's that one? It's a face. Alright. So I think we'll just pause it there for now. Okay, that's the black lion. Obviously lion mode.
Oh, ingat. Hi, Russell.
What do you think, Anna?
Hello.
Black lion.
Who is that? Yana, who is that?
Have a look.
No, come on, go. Who is this, Ninang? Ninang, wait. Who's one? Huh? Who's this? Baby. Which Ninang is this? Ninang? Nexa. Say, bless, Ninang Nexa, bless.
They're pretty easy to adjust.
Oh, little boy eating. Hello. Smile.
Set it down like so.
Smile. Para makita ni Ninang Russell. Ninang ba niya si Russell? Hindi, no?
The red lion, the green lion, the black lion, and we're going to line up the blue lion, which is a big lion. Obviously, this will form one of the legs. Okay. And now, this. What color is this, Yana?
Yellow.
Yellow lion. Nice color. You can ride on this one, Yana. Yeah, Votron, the defender of the universe.
A yellow lion.
You like the yellow lion, do you? Nice color to it, isn't it? There you go. That's it. Those are the lions. Yeah, okay. So, we've lined them up. Let's have a look at them. How many lions, Yana? Count.
1,
Mm-hmm.
2,
Mm-hmm.
3,
Mm-hmm.
4,
Mm-hmm.
4, 5.
Yes. And how many lions? How many lions? 5 lions. Yeah. Okay. Shall we form them into a robot? Shall we form them into Super Robot Voltron? Yeah. Okay. Good. Can I hear you say yes?
Yes.
Louder.
Oh.
Ah. Good. I think that's a good yes to me. Yes, Anna. So it's slowly starting to form into a robot. It's not a lion anymore, is it? What is it now?
Robot.
What's the name of the robot? What's the name of the robot? Oh. What do you think of that?
Robot. Oh.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Sweet.
It's what? Look at that. What is it now?
The robot.
What's the name of the robot? the robot's name is Votron. Votron, the defender of the universe. And there he is.
His face.
Wow, I'm impressed. Are you?
Another one.
Nice looking robot, I must say. What do you think, Anna?
Their face.
There's another face, yeah. We can change the face of the robot. Okay. So this is Voltron up close. Okay. Good build. Good build quality. This is a bit plasticky around here though.
Where's the
I would like it to be a bit more, you know, solid, more metal. But I suppose it does the job. However, I got some reservations because the rest of it is really solid metal.
There's full face.
But for it to be supporting the leg, which can be heavy, I would have supposed that it should have been a bit more solid, like more metal. But hey ho, the general build quality of this robot is top class. I would recommend it to any fan of
What's this?
super robots, okay, to add to your collection. So
A third robot.
yeah, it's good, it's quite good, really good. I'm very happy.
Third robot.